All right, guys, we're gonna get right into this. This is Tristan with Hard Hat Trading, and recently I fell upon a website that allows you to trade Rithmic accounts on the TradingView chart. And this website is actually free and is web-based. And right now we're looking at the TradingView homepage, and the reason that I have this up is because I want to show you this website's homepage and how identical it looks as well. The website is called tradingthings.io. Right there, boom, tradingthings.io. And we see that it has the Rithmic right there, right? This is the nice homepage, very similar to the TradingView homepage. And before we get into it, I just want to slide all the way down here to the frequently asked questions. So if we go to frequently asked questions, we see which futures connections are supported. We currently support Rithmic connections. We plan to support TradingView, DXFeed, and CQG in the future. Now, I know for a fact that it does support Rithmic because I've connected my Rithmic connection to this. I haven't tried the TradingView because I already am linked to my TradingView chart. Can I trade Forex? Currently, only futures are supported, but we do plan to integrate Forex and CTrader and DXTrader in the future. Is this completely free? Now, this right here is very important. We need to know if this is going to be completely free. Yes, the trading platform is completely free to use. They also have a journaling. The journaling is currently free in its beta form and will require a small fee in the future to cover the cost of the infrastructure and to allow us to continuously improve the platform to deliver an amazing experience for you. Now, based off what they're saying right here, it seems as if this website is relatively new. I haven't fallen upon anybody speaking about this in the prop firm circuit or in my immediate circuit. But I'm happy that I fell upon this, and I'm even happier to share this with y'all because I know a lot of people been having issues with Top Step getting rid of their Project X, especially with Bulenox, that they can no longer trade without accessing NinjaTrader or Quantower or something equivalent to that. But now with this, doesn't matter if you have a Mac computer or a Windows-based computer, because this is a web-based platform, you'll be able to have access to this. Can I use my prop firm account? And yes, as long as you use one that is supported with the connections. Now we're just going to get right into this now. So the way that we do this is that we go to login, and I already have my credentials saved. So I'll go to sign in. So you would copy and paste your credentials here. And then once you log in, it gives you the option whether you like to journal or whether you like to go to a trading platform. I haven't done much journaling here because I have an account with TradeZella for my journaling. So we'll just go straight to the trading platform and see what we got going on here. So now we have the three options, and we're going to go with Rithmic. Now once we get here, this is where I had a little bit of issues in the beginning. So we'll do it the right way, and then we'll come back and then do some troubleshooting. So the right way to do this, even though it says the high latency risk in the Chicago hours, I find that this is the only way that the chart loads, and I haven't seen any lag that I've traded. Then here, I know somebody will probably like to go and put Bulenox, but it's not Bulenox you want. You want to do Rithmic paper trading. After you do Rithmic paper trading, then you copy and paste your credentials, and then you log in. You know what? Let's continue with New York and let's see what it says, because this is the first time I'm coming across this. And now, as we can see, the chart is not loading, which is what I thought. Oh, okay, here we go. Perfect. So the chart did load. Originally, when I would click something outside of Chicago, this uploading trade history right here would just continuously load. Now, the beautiful thing is, let's go to the 2-minute chart, is that I drew a few lines here during my last session, and then I had saved it to see if it would actually save. So I have a profile saved here for FFF, which was just a test, and I just drew some random lines, and as we can see, they actually were saved. And in addition to that, I have my Stream Deck here, so I can have my hotkeys, and they actually work. So here I'll draw a rectangle. Here I'll draw a ray and another ray, and then I'm gonna grab this. So we're on an NQ chart, and this is where some of the beautiful features are. So these are my accounts right here. So I have two accounts, 58 and 49. The balance for those are to the bottom right, which I have failed, so I'm waiting for them to get rebuild so I could get back in them. And that's one account. This is the second account. As you can see, both those balances at 47.5. The features with this that's beautiful is, let's start from the top and work our way down. We have the lockout. So we can lock ourselves out an hour at a time, 2 hours, until the market closed, the current session. This is a beautiful feature that even TradingView doesn't have. Next, we have a cross. Let's say I had just finished marking up this chart, right? And I don't want to have to copy and paste or pull up the micro chart and then to have to mark it up as well. What I can do here, I can hit this cross button, and I can go to MQ to the front month, and now any trades that I would take on this NQ chart would actually be right here to the top right, as we can see, MNQ86. So it would cross to the micros. So I can just stay on one chart that I have all marked up and then still trade on the respective micros. All right, coming down, we have chart trading. Now when this is enabled, anywhere you would click on the chart, you would put a trade in. Now because it's Saturday at 1:41, market is closed. If I click it, as we can see, we have an order error. And it's not because it's Saturday. It's actually because I'm in a administrators only mode, because I failed these accounts. All right. And then next we have, let's turn that off. We have the quantity. So this is the quantity size for the contracts. And then we have our order strategy. So I have a bracket strategy with a stop loss and take profit, and these are the details of it. They're each 20 ticks in. So if I wanted to make my target 40 ticks and make my stop of 20 ticks, and I could do it like that, and as we can see, it's set. So anytime I would put an order in, whether it's a limit, stop, market, then the brackets will be triggered, and they would be on the chart as well. All right, and then after that we have the market and the buy market and the sell market buttons, and then we have the beautiful cancel open orders and exit position. Then to the bottom of that we have journal. Now I haven't journaled with this yet, so this will be new to the both of us, so let's check it out. So now here on the journaling, we have accounts here to the top. So account 49, and since we didn't take any trades today, it shows today's P&L, the current streak, and the week, etc. Like I said, I'm waiting to get rebuilt, so I guess you guys have to play around with this, and y'all let me know what y'all think. Yeah, but this is great because we can trade this on the Mac, we can trade this on the Windows, and now we don't have to rely solely on either that shitty Rithmic app on the phone, which I actually tend to use quite a bit because I'm working sometimes when I'm trading, or we don't have to rely on having to sit in front of a computer that has NinjaTrader built in. Yeah, guys, so give this a go. FYI, I'm not affiliated with this company. I don't have any connections. I don't have any financial investments with them. I just found this app through another video that I was looking at, and I used it for about 2 weeks now, and I found some success with it. Obviously not with the Bulenox accounts since I failed them, but just as far as like implementing trades on the charts, and I haven't used the lockout feature, but as soon as I get the rebill, I will be using the lockout feature. But give this a go. Let me know what y'all think. Share it with somebody that you know that's also trading with Bulenox or with any Rithmic accounts. All right, so like and share this, And if I find any more gems, I'll definitely send it your way.